Welcome to my channel everybody, and this is the video of geometric progression, and this problem are taken from the book of Ascende, and for the book of Ascende this is the second video. Okay, so see the solution of this video of this problem. Okay, here we are given the 14th problem and taken some important problem. Okay, now see the sum of the three consecutive number in GP is 21, and the sum of the square will be 189, and find the numbers. Okay, so see, let the number be here. This is question number 5. Let the numbers are A by R, A and AR, and now by the given cases is that, so A by R plus A plus AR is equal to 21, and take a common here A, that is 1 by R plus 1 is equal to 21. Now let X is equal to R plus 1 by R. Okay, then the equation is found that A into X plus 1 is equal to 21. This is number 1. And now and see, sum of the square is 189, and A by R whole square and A square and AR whole square is equal to, that is 189. Okay, and take a common A square, then we get here R square 1 by R square plus 1 is equal to 189. Now see A square. Okay, and we can write here like R plus 1 by R whole square minus 2, and this is plus 1 and 189. And now again we write here A square into X square minus 1 is equal to 189, and this is number 2. I am solving 1 and 2. Okay, solving 1 and 2. See here is we are eliminating the A, so that's why squaring 1, equation 1, and now we have to squaring this A square into X plus 1 whole square, and this is 21 into 21. Okay, and we mentioned that this is a 1. Okay, so solving 1 and 2, so divide 1 by 2. Okay, so A square into X plus 1 whole square by A square into X square minus 1, and this is equal to 21 into 21 by 189, implies that, and this is here X plus 1 by X minus 1, so that is here 189. 189 means here, this is here 3, 7 দুগুণে 14, 7 7 49, 7 7 49 carry 4, so the 18. Okay, and now this is here 9, this is here 9, and again this is 3, and this is here 7. Okay, so that is 7 by 3 here. Now see, 7 7 9 4, 7 14 4 18. Okay, this is 27. 3 9 are 27, and 9 3 3 are 9, and 3 7 0. Okay, 7 by 3. Now this is here, and 3x plus 3, 7x minus 7, so implies that is here 4x, and this is 10, so 2x is equal to 5. So x means here R plus r plus 1 by r, and that is equal to 5 by 2, and 2 plus 1 by 2. So therefore r is equal to actually 2.5. Okay, r is equal to actually, if we take a simplify, then we get r equal to 2.5. And when r equal to 2, then when x is equal to 5 by 2, okay, then a into 5 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 21. So a is equal to 21 into 2 by 7, and this is their 6. Therefore the numbers are, that is your a by r. So a by r, a means here 6, r means here 2, r means here 2. Okay, then 3, and a is equal to 6, and ar is equal to, a means 6, r means 2, this is 12. Okay, and also and when r is equal to 1 by 2, then the numbers are actually the reverse. Okay, 12, 6 and 3. Okay, so this is the solution. Very interesting. And now for 6, see carefully. Okay, very interesting. See, this is here 3, 6 and 12. This by this here 2, and this by this here 2. This by this here half, this by this here half. Okay, so this is for 5 number question. And now see the 6th number. Okay, so here is 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus dot dot 2, sum to n terms. Okay, to nth term. Actually now find here nth term. This is Tn. So this would be a 1 plus 3 square, 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus 3 cube. See here, this is the first term. So here is occur only single term. This is the second term. So here is occur 2 term, and this is the third term. Now here is occur 3 times. So in case of nth term, so 2n. Okay. So sum of that series be here, ratio be 3 to the power n minus 1 by 3 minus 1, that would be a 3 to the power n minus 1. Okay, now putting n equal to 1, 2, 3 dot dot 2n. Okay, then we get the sum. Okay, now this is T1. Actually this is your half 3 to the power 1 minus 1, and this is T2, half 3 to the power 2 minus 1. Okay, that is 3, 3. This is your half, and this is 3 cube minus 1. Okay, no, need to be anything. Okay, Tn. This is 1 by 2, 3 to the power n and minus 1. Then sum, this is n. If we added this all, so we get here is n, and we can take a common half here. So in the case of first, we get a 3 square, 3 cube, and there will be a 3 to the power n here, and 1, 1, 1, 2, 1 to n. So their addition would be a n here. And now half, and sum of these GP series. So the first term we have 3, and ratio B has 3 also, and the number of term we have 1 to n. So this is their nth term. This minus this by 3 minus 1 minus n, and we get here. This is 3. This is here 2. 2 2s are 4 here. Okay, and now 3 to the power n minus 1 minus n by 2. Okay, see, this is the solution for 6 part 1. Okay, see the next solution for the 6 part 2. 6 part 2 here. So see, this is 6 part 2. See, and now this is denoted by Sn. We have to find the sum, so that's why Sn. So 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 15, okay. And mention that this is here Tn. After that, the previous term we had Tn minus 1. So this is Sn. So again we write a Sn another and one step are okay, and like that, okay, one. So then what happens? See there, see here. So this is and this term occur on the last position and okay, like that, okay, and so doing minus, okay. Then what we get there? This is a 0. So 1. This is 2. This is 4. 8, and this is. If we subtract these two terms, we get here the nth term. Okay, and minus Tn. Actually, if we divide this, we get some value. I don't need it to the value there, and it is symbolized that this is the nth term. Okay, now this is a 0, so Tn are transferred to the left hand side. So what do you see there? And this sum is called the see the series of this sum, okay, and this is the nth term to the nth term, and this is the sum. Actually, I mean to say this Tn of this series, matlab nth term of this series with the sum of this series, okay, and this is here 1, and this is 2 to the power n minus 1 by 2 minus 1 here. So actually this is 2n minus 1. This is Tn. Now putting n equal to 1, 2, 3 dot dot to n. So we get here this is T1. So now T to the power 1 minus 1. You should maintain like the order. Don't subtract this. Just write like the system here. Okay. T3. This is 2 to the power 3 minus 1 here, and this is Tn. Actually 2 to the power n and minus 1. So now add this all. Then we get Sn. And now first of the this is we get here 2. This is here 2 square. This is here 2 cube, and this is here 2 to the power n. And now here 1, 1, 1, and this is here n, and sum up to n. The addition of all the n's are n here. And see, this is the GP series, and first term here is 2, and number of term we have n. So 2 to the power n minus 1, and this is 2 minus 1. Okay, and now 2 to the power n plus 1, if you multiply this, then we get 2 to the power n plus 1. Okay, minus 2 and minus n. Okay, and this is the sum of the second question. Okay, so very interesting. And now question 7 is also a very easy question. We want to follow from this step here. Actually, some students are when see this is the inform of that, so they would be confused. So that's why we repeat this question again. So here this is the nth term. So just like now this is Tn. Nth term means this is, let us assume this is Tn. Okay, this is the nth term, and that is here 2 into 3 to the power n minus 1 and plus 1. And now finding the sum of the nth term. Okay, now putting n equal to 1, 2, 3 and dot dot to r. Okay, then T1, and this is here 2 into 3 to the power 0 plus 1. T2, 2 into 3 to the power 1 plus 1. Okay, T3, 2 into 3 to the power. Okay, this is Tn, 2 into 3 to the power, and this is here this is r, and doing sum of this we get here is n is r, sum of this is I get here r, and take a common 2 here. This is why 2 here, and 3 divided by 0 is 1, 3, 3 square, and dot dot 2, 3 over r minus 1, and 1 1 1 2. Actually, what do you see here? Okay, this is sum of 2r, so we get here r, and this is the number of term we here r. So, and first term here is 1, and this is the ratio we are 3 here. So number of term we here r. So that's why you can write like that. Okay. And now see, this is here r. So 2 are cancelled. Those 3 were r minus 1 and plus r. Okay. So this is the solution of 7. Now see the question number 8 here. So see the question number 8. In a ABC, we are respectively the pth term, qth term, and rth term of a GP series. So here is the given A, B, C, P, Q, R. So that's why let X be the first term, okay, and Y be the common ratio, okay. Then what we can write here? So ABC the pth term. So T suffix P is equal to A here. Implies that we can write here X into and Y to the power P minus 1, and that is equal to A. Same as T suffix Q, and that is equal to B given here. Okay, I think am I right? Okay, yeah. X into Y to the power, this is here Q minus 1, and that is here B. So mention that this is 1, mention that this is 2, and T suffix R, that is here C. So implies that X into Y to the power R minus 1, that is here C. Number 3 here. Okay, see, now A, B, C. Okay, we have to find the value of A to the power B to the power. So you can easily, in place of A, B, C, put this. Okay, so you write here a left hand side. C. So left hand side A into Q minus R, and B to the power R minus P, and C to the power P minus Q. And this is equal to A means here, this is the whole thing. So X into Y to the power P minus 1, and this is to the power Q minus R. Again B, X into Y to the power Q minus 1 and whole to the power R minus P. Okay. Again C, X into Y to the power R minus 1 whole to the power P minus Q. Okay. So we can write here like X to the power Q minus R, same as X to the power R minus P, same as X to the power P minus Q. Again write here Y to the power P minus 1 into Q minus R. Again Y to the power Q minus 1 into R minus P. Again Y to the power R minus 1 into P minus Q here. Okay. So X to the power, if we added this, okay, same as, actually if we added this, all the powers as base is same, so we get here 0 actually, power to the power 0, and this is why we can write here that is a 1. So R minus 1 and P minus Q. So see, these all the value are and same as X to the power 0 and Y to the power 0, and this is equal to 1. Okay, see carefully. Okay, very interesting question for number 8. And see carefully. Okay, now we have to solve the question number 9 here. Okay, A, B, C, D are in GP. So A, B, C, D. So 9, A, B, C, D are in GP. So B by A, C by B, and D by C is equal to, let us assume as a R. So we can write here B is equal to AR and C is equal to BR. So if we put here BR in that place, so we get here AR square. So similarly D is equal to, we get here CR, and the value of C here is AR. AR square into R, so AR cube. So now we have to show the these three are in GP. So I have to show this is B minus C by A minus B whole square, and that is C minus D by B minus C whole square, and left hand side, and that is equal to B minus C whole square, and that is A minus B whole square. And this is here C. What is B here? B equal to A here. We can put here AR. Okay, minus C is equal to, and C is equal to A R square. Okay, and A, and B is equal to AR. Okay, and now take a common. A square R square. This is 1 minus R whole square. Okay, now again take a common A square. We get here 1 minus R whole square. So see, these two are cancelled, so we get here R square. Now on the right hand side, so C, and that is C minus D whole square, and this is B minus C whole square. So C here is A R square, and D means AR cube whole square. B means AR, and C means that is A R square whole square. Okay, and now take a common, that is A square, and R square means R to the power 4, and then we get here 1 minus R whole square, and same as A square and R square, then we have left here 1 minus R whole square. So see, these two are cancelled, these two are cancelled, so R square, we get here R square. See, these two are same. So proved. So we can say that, and therefore we can say that A minus B whole square, comma B minus C whole square, comma C minus D whole square are in GP. Okay, so good question. Now follow the question number 10 here. See, we want to find the relation between the ABC, and which and some relation here is this is 10. So this is A square plus B square, and this is B square plus C square, and that is equal to AB plus BC whole square. Now multiply this, A square B square, A square C square, B to the power 4, B square C square, A square B square, B square C square to A B square C. So these two are cancelled, and now this is here B square C square also cancelled. So now from that we get here AC whole square, B square whole square twice AC into B square equal to 0. So that's why B square minus AC whole square equal to 0. So it implies that B square minus AC equal to 0. So B square equal to AC. So therefore 1 comma B comma C are in GP. This is the relation. Okay. So now we have to proceed to question number 14 and marks 4. So which is mentioned in the first. Okay. So you have to question the question number 14, and this is here. See, the aim of two numbers. Aim of two numbers is 15, and their GM is 12. Their GM is 12. Then find the number of two numbers. Let the number are X and Y, and the aim. So AM is equal to X plus Y by B. This is aim, and that is equal to 15. Okay. So implies that X plus Y is equal to 30. Okay, 1. And the GM is here. This is GM. GM, root over XY for two number, and that is equal to given that 12. So squaring both sides, we get here 144. this is 2. Solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So what do we get here? So x plus y means this is 144 by x, and this is equal to 30. So x square minus 30x, 144. So now see, 12 into 12, 3, 2 into 2, 3, 2 into 2. We want to take a Milnor factor. This is there 30. So this is 6, 12, 12, no. This is 9. We take 9 to the 18. Okay. 9 to the 18 and 8. No. Okay. 12 into 12, and we can write here 12 to the 24. And this is 24. And these are 6. If we added this, then we get 30. So that's why 24x and 6x plus 1, 4 equal to 0. So we take a common x on that. Okay, so x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 24. So when x is 6, then y is equal to this is here 144 by x, that is 144 by 6. Actually we get this number, okay, and this is 24. And when x is equal to 24, then we get here y equal to 6 here. So this is the two numbers, 6 and 24. Okay, very easy question. See the student and take care. Okay, now doing the question number 15. Question number 15. You have given ABC are in GP. So you can write here A, B, C are in GP. So it means B by A equal to C by B. So you can write easily B square equal to AC. Okay. And now X and Y are here. X and Y. Be AM between AB and BC. Okay. So that's why you can write. Therefore we can write here X is equal to, we can write here A plus B by 2. And similarly Y equal to B plus C by 2 here. Okay. So this is the 1 number case, this is the 2, and this is the 3. Now from 1, so A by X and C by Y. So A by X means here A plus B by 2, and C by means here B plus C by 2. Okay, now twice A by A plus B, and twice C by B plus C. Okay, and actually this term is simplified would be with the help of first equation, that is B square equal to AC. But here don't find B, that will be root over AC. So there is some problem. Now we have to either eliminate C and either A. So now find A here. So now since A is equal, we can write here B square by B square by C here. So in place of A, we can write here B square by C. So this is B square by C. So B here, 2C by B plus C. So take our LCM. So then we get here B square, 2B square. And B square, BC. So 2C by B plus C. And 2B by B plus C. And this is 2C by B plus C. The LCM here is 2B plus C, and take around 2 plus C, B plus C. So this is your answer. Okay, and now we have to follow the for second question. So here is the number 2. So that is 1 by x plus 1 by y. that is 1 by x. X means here 2 by a plus b, and that is here 2 by b plus c. Okay, so that is equal to, we have to find the value of 2 by b here. Okay, see carefully, this is 2 by b. 1 by x plus 1 by y, this is 2 by b here. Okay, so now see, again the same case, we would apply the, in place of a like b square by either c, any one of the two variable like a or c. Okay, so now we have right here a equal to b square plus b square by c plus b, and b by b plus c here. Okay, now 2c by b square plus bc and 2 by b plus c, and now take a common b, 2 by b plus c. So we have left here, this is c by c, take a common b here, so c by b, and c by b actually, and 2 by b plus c. Okay, now this is here 1, so 2 by b plus c, and here is c plus b. These two are cancelled, so 2 by b. So this is the right hand side. See the solution careful, very interesting question. Now proceed to the 16. Proceed to the question number 16. Now proceed to the question number 16. Here is given that the ABC are in AP. So 16, A, B, C are in AP. So you can write here, that is twice B is equal to A plus C actually, and X, Y, Z are in GP. X, Y, Z are in GP. So y square is equal to xz here. And now we have to find the value of x into b minus c, and y into c minus a, and z into a minus b. Actually, don't compare with this problem here. Actually, directly a as a value in the form of x and y to the power some powers. So we can directly put there. But if we want to get some relation between the x, y, z, so we want to convert the same power. All the powers are same, then we apply the rules here. So that's why we can write here, in form of that we can write here b minus a actually, and c minus b here. So in place of b minus c, actually that is a minus b here. So we can write here a minus b, and c same as this power are same, a minus b, and y to the power c minus a. So that's why x are z. So c, this is whole thing are. So that's why x and z are same power. So you can write like now, and y to the power c minus a here. And in place of x, y, z, we can replace as the y square, and that is a minus b, and y to the power c minus a here, and that is here y to the power 2a minus 2b, and also c minus a. So we get here y to the power that is a plus c minus twice b. Okay, see, from that we apply this is twice b as a from the case number first case. So we get here, since we write here a plus c is equal to twice b here, so we apply that y to the power 0, so we can get here 1. Okay, and this is the 16. Now we have to proceed to question number 20. See, very interesting question is that. And now we have to proceed to the question number 20 here. So see, if the one arithmetic mean A and two geometric mean means P and Q be inserted between the two given number, let the number be let x and y be the number. Okay. Now we get here one arithmetic mean. So we can write here A is equal to, that is x plus y by 2. And now in between x and y, and there are insert two geometric mean, there is P and Q. This is P and Q. So P and Q, okay, are in GP, you can say. So that's why this is GM. Oh, so the P and Q are GM between x and y. So this is series are in GP. So you can write P by x, Q by P, and y by Q. From this we get here that is x is equal to P square by Q. Same as we take, if this we take this, then we get here as a y, and that is Q square by P here. So from 1 this is 2, this is 3. So from 1, 2 and 3. So twice a is equal to x plus y. So twice a is equal to, in place of x we can write here p square by q, and in place of y q square by p. So this is your proof here. Okay, see. And now this is the last question today. This is 23rd. Okay, 23rd is a very interesting question. See. So see here, ABC are in GP. 23rd, A, B, C are in GP. Then we can write B square equal to AC. And now the first question is, first equation is ax square 2bx plus c equal to 0. And Sideracci formula is here, minus 2b plus minus root over b square. This is 4b square minus 4ac by twice a. So we get here, take a common 2b plus minus, this is 2 here. So b square minus ac by 2a. So see, b square minus ac, from that this is a 0. So we get here x is equal to only a roots, that is b by a. Okay. And the second equation is here, dx square 2ex plus f equal to 0. So see, the equation these and these have a common root. As if we apply b square equal to ac, then we get here a single solution. So that is here x equal to minus b by a. So as this is a this will be satisfy this equation, as both the equation have a common root. So that's why you can satisfy this equation. Okay, we can write here d into minus b by a and whole square, d into e, and this is minus b by a and plus f equal to 0. So d into b square by a square, and this is here 2eb by a and plus f is equal to 0. So take a LCM, d b square twice e b a and f a square is equal to 0. So d b square f a square is equal to twice e b a. Actually on the this is an AP, so we want to get a 2e by b is equal to this plus this. Actually get a 2e by b. So and b square equal to ac. Put here b square equal to ac. AC f a square 2eba. Okay, 2eba. Okay, right. 2eba equal to, okay. So take a common as a. So dc fa 2eb. And now we want to get a e by b. So e by b, so dividing by b square. So divide by b square on both sides. So dc by b square, fa by b square twice eb by b square here implies that actually again dc by b square means ac, we have to put here ac. So fa b square means ac here. So 2e by b here implies that d by a plus f by c, and this is equal to 2 into e by b. So from that relation we can say that therefore we can say as a d by a comma e by b comma f by c are in AP. Okay, thank you very much, all of you.